In this video, I will show you how to create contact and keep on successful payment in Instamojo automatically. So as you all know, Instamojo is an Indian payment gateway and Keap is a CRM software. And what will happen here, whenever the customer will make a payment via this payment gateway, we will automatically add that customer into our Keap CRM software so that whenever you want to send any kind of email to your paid customer, you do not have to manually export the customer's data and import it here one by one. We are going to automatically sync all the Instamojo paid customers with Keap CRM. So if you also want to set this automation for yourself, come with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. Now to automate this process, I'll have to integrate Instamojo and Keap software, and I'm going to integrate these two applications with the Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software, and I'm an existing user of Pabbly Connect. So here you can see I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test this automation. Now, after reaching out to the dashboard, the very first thing you'll have to do is to click on this blue button that is create workflow and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have pasted the name as sync all Instamojo customers with Keap CRM automatically. Now simply click on this blue button that is create and you will see two boxes in front of you. Okay, so these are actually trigger and action. So here trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever this happen, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, according to our use case, whenever any customer will make a payment into our Instamojo payment gateway, then automatically add that customer into the Keap CRM application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. All right, so I have selected the application. Now I am going to connect these two applications with the Pabbly Connect one by one. So here you will have to select the trigger event. Okay, so you can also read the instructions. It will trigger when a new sale or a successful payment is done. So I want that whenever any new sale is made, the details should be captured via Pabbly Connect. For that I am going to connect these two. Okay, so simply copy this webhook URL and then you will have to follow these instructions one by one. Okay, so I will take you to the dashboard of Instamojo and here I am going to create a new payment link in front of you. So how about we create a payment link, and here I'll go with the smart payment link. All right, I'll have to wait for a few more seconds. Alright, so this is the smart link, and assume that the purpose of the payment is I am selling some kind of biology notes. Alright, so I have provided this name that is biology notes, and I will keep the flat pricing as 9 rupees. Why 9 rupees? Because I'll have to make a payment, a real payment, in order to make this transaction successful. Okay, so I have provided a small amount. Now click on this next customize label link and simply click on the smart action, and then here exactly we are going to paste the same webhook URL which we have received via Pabbly Connect. Alright, so I have copied the same. Let me paste the same here, click on done, and this is how the connection in between Instamojo and Pabbly Connect will be successful. Now here you'll have to read the instructions. Alright, so it is actually waiting for the webhook response. Log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means making of a new sale into our Instamojo payment gateway. Okay, so this is the payment gateway. Here you can see I have this payment link which I'm going to open into a new tab, and then I'm going to make a payment of ₹9 in front of you, and you will see how the details of the payment will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Alright, I'll have to wait for that, and then I'm going to make a real payment of 9 rupees. But before that, let me provide some details. So assume that the name of the customer is dummy user, the email of the person, alright, it should be user, the email of the person is admin@pabblytudes.com. I'm just using the random details, the dummy details, and the phone number will also be something like 966666666. Alright, so I have provided the basic information of the customer. Now I'm going to click on next, and then I'm going to make a real payment here. Alright, so here you can see the payment of rupees 9 is successful. Let me come back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and wait for the response. And here you can see the response is received. Let me show you the details one by one. So here we have the status as successful. We have also received the payment ID. We have the SMAC. We have the link ID. We have the currency and we have the amount. So where are the details of the customer who has made the payment? Because I want to add that customer into our Keap CRM. Okay, so we are going to fetch the information of the customer with the help of this payment ID, and here you can also read the instructions that it is clearly written that if you need the full details of the corresponding to any transaction ID, then you need to use the Instamojo get payment details event into the next action step. Okay, so here I am going to connect this Instamojo once again with the Pabbly Connect, and then I am going to fetch the customer's details. Okay, so search for the Instamojo here once again, and then I'm going to reconnect this payment gateway with the Pabbly Connect as an action application, and this time the action event will be the get payment details. Simply click on connect, click on add a new connection, and then you will have to provide the API key and the auth token key. Okay, basically it is required for the connection, so you will have to read this instruction and then you will have to click on this hyperlink. All right, API and plugins, and from here exactly you can copy the details, basically the private key and the token. Alright, so this is the private key which I have copied. Come back to Pabbly Connect and paste it here, asking for the auth token. So here we have the auth token which we have copied, and let me paste the same. Click on save, and this is how Instamojo will be connected with the Pabbly Connect once again. Alright, here you can see it is connected. Now it is asking for the payment ID, and as I have told you, alright, why it has not loaded, I'll have to refresh this once again. I think it is looking good now. Now I am going to provide the payment ID here, and I don't even need to manually copy this payment ID and paste it here. I'm going to map it, and mapping is very simple. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Now I'll have to select that specific data, and this is how you can map that detail. And here mapping means whatever the details you have mapped here will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. I repeat, the details, the payment ID will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Okay, so let me click on this button, save and send test request, and you will see a response will be received. And here let me show you the details of the customer. All right, so remember at the time of the payment we have provided dummy user as the name of the person. Here we have the phone number, and here we have the email ID. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Instamojo and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Now I am going to send these details to Keap CRM, and basically we are going to create a contact. Basically we are going to sync all our paid customers with our Keap CRM. All right, so firstly I'll have to select an action event, that is create or update a contact. And just like we have connected Instamojo and Pabbly Connect, now I'm going to connect this Infusionsoft with Pabbly Connect. All right, so simply click on connect, simply click on add a new connection, click on connect with Infusionsoft by Keap, and then you'll have to provide the access of your account. Well, I'm already logged in into this account, so I just need to provide the access. Okay, so I have provided the permission, and here you will see the authorization is successful and my Infusionsoft, basically the Keap software, is connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking that what will be the email of the person which you would like to create as a contact into our Keap CRM. So I just need to provide the details one by one which are actually necessary, which are actually required. So as I have told you, I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. We can easily map this data, and mapping is very simple. Simply click on this particular field and you need to select that data. So let me search for the email address of the person. Alright, so I have mapped the email address, asking for other details also. So here I'm going to provide only the necessary, the important details. So basically it is asking for the name, so let me search for the name. Well, it was dummy user which I have mapped here. Asking for the job title, company. Well, I have not collected this data while making the payment, so I do not have any details. So I'm going to directly provide the phone number. So where is the phone number field? I'll have to search for that. All right, here you can see this is the phone field, so let me map the phone number of the person as well. All right, so here we have the phone number as 9666666666. This is just a dummy phone number, and I think I have provided provided all the important details. Let me click on this button, save and send test request, and currently I have how many contacts? Alright, so I have 0 contacts. Now I'm going to click on this button, save and send test request, and you will see a response will be received which is saying the customer has been created. Let me go back and let me refresh my dashboard here. Alright, so here you can see one contact has been created, has been added. Let me check whether it is the same contact or not who has made the payment. Alright, so here you can see dummy user is the name of the person, admin@pabblytunes.com is the email address of the person, and here we have the phone number as well. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that connection in between Keap CRM and Instamojo payment gateway is working absolutely fine. So now onwards, what will happen? Every time someone is going to make a payment for this specific link, for this specific biology nodes, the customer will be automatically captured via Pabbly Connect, that too instantly, because the trigger here is instant. This trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So what will happen? Every time the customer will make a payment, or you can say a new sale is arrived into your Instamojo payment gateway, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect, and it will automatically send the details into Keap CRM, and a customer will be created as a contact into our Keap CRM. Just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect, I will also attach the link of this workflow, this automation, into my description box. You just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and the same workflow will be added, will be cloned inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. And here you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Simply set this automation in Pabbly Connect once and sync all your customers, all your Instamojo payment customers with your Keap CRM automatically. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.